Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more content just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will leave on the screen somewhere, and I will also leave a link to them in the description below. Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make a highlight on Twitch, and if you don't know what a highlight is basically making a short clip from your stream. Maybe something cool happened during your stream. Maybe you were playing a game and you got a nice kill and you want to turn that into a short clip. That's basically what a highlight is, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do just that. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have past broadcasts turned on. Alright, so if you don't have that turned on, you can click over here, click Creator Dashboard, Preferences, and Channel. And it's right here, Store Past Broadcast. So if you have it turned off, make sure to turn it on. Alright, so let's go back. And now from here, you can click over here, click Video Producer, and find the stream that you want to highlight. In my case, it's going to be this one, but whatever you want to highlight, look for that one, and then click Highlight over here on the right. And it'll take you to this page over here. Your stream is going to be playing on this screen. And if you scroll down, you can see a timeline of your entire stream. And this yellow thing is basically the highlight. It's way too long right now, and you don't want this. So what you can do is you can zoom in and zoom out if you want. And what you can do is you can either drag this to whatever time that cool thing happened or whatever it is that you want to highlight. Over here was where you want it to end. So this entire thing is going to be the highlight. You can either do that, but I don't like doing that. But if you want, you can do that. But what I prefer to do is I like to, let's just pause it here for a sec. I like to use the start and end over here. So right here where it's a start, you can just type the time that it starts and the time that it ends. Alright, so in my case, the cool thing that happened was around 48 minutes, I think. So around 48 minutes, I think it was right here. Okay, so I think it was right here. So I'm gonna pause it as I just did, and so look at this time over here, and you're gonna want to type this time into start. So 48, 49. Actually, maybe I'll do it like 48, 47. You know, like just a couple seconds earlier. But you can just type whatever starting time you want and press enter. And as you can see, it's automatically going to drag the yellow bar to whatever time you typed over here. So click play, and then just play it throughout the end, and whatever time you want it to end, type the time over here. Right, so let's let it play. Save your life, bro. And as you can see, I'm gonna get pretty excited. Ooh, let's go, dude. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro! Alright, so that's where I wanted to end. So the time is 49:20. So I'm going to go to end over here and type 49:20 and then press enter. And as you can see, it dragged the yellow bar all the way to the time that I typed. So yeah, and right here, this play button is going to play the entire preview of the highlight. So this right here is a preview of your highlight. Ooh, let's go, dude. Let's go, bro. Alright, well, see, as you can see, that's all you have to do. And once you do that, you can type the title over here. Let's just use this as, let's just type ace, because I got an ace in this game. You might want to put something cooler, but this is just an example, so I'm just going to put that. So click publish highlights, and you can type the description here. I'll just put I got an ace, and this might take a little while, but after it's done, all you have to do is press save changes, and that's it, you're done. Alright, so now that it's done, you can just click save changes, and now you can see your new highlight over here. Alright, so you can click watch, but I've already shown you twice, so I'm not going to show you a third time, but that's it. That's all you have to do to make a highlight here on Twitch. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which is going to be here somewhere on the screen. And if you guys have any video suggestions, you can comment down below, let me know. I'll try my best to make them. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.